Hello everybody, welcome back to Barrel's Garage. What are we doing today? Well, let's put the Kingpins in this straight axle for that 66 Chevy Corvair. We're gonna do something a little different. But here we go. This is an easy way to get your Kingpins installed into the front end. Real simple, but follow these steps and you can get it right too. So here we go. First of all, you got to get your spindle all done up and ready. And your Kingpin kit. Comes with the bearing. The bearing is a race and a bearing kind of together. You can see they're two-piece. You put the bearing side to the down side on your spindle, just like that. Then you slide her up into the hole, just like that. And there's a little bit of wiggle room there. You don't want none of that wiggle. Kit will always supply you with this one came with 4 of these little shims. And you just stack them shims up in there until she's good and tight. Just like that. We'll try 2 shims on this side. The other side only took 1. We'll stack 2 on there, see if that'll take a little bit of that slop out of there. Yeah, maybe 1 more. To slide right up on there. That feels a lot better. Then you take your Kingpin and you notice there's a notch on it right there. That notch has got to line up with this hole. To make it easy, I drew a little Sharpie line on there. And you need your dust cover. I always forget the dust cover. Your dust cover is this little felt piece and a little cone over piece like this. The felt goes in there like that, up onto the Kingpin, just like that. Keeps the dirt out of there. And we'll line her up so the notch is in line with that hole. And now to get it to line up with all of them shims. Just like that. Twist her straight in line, send her home. Just like that. Then you got your lock pin. Now your lock pin's got a kind of a machined edge, just like that. Well, this edge has got to match up with your Kingpin slot there. Let's see, we went in this way. They'll go in either way, it don't matter. On this one, stock, the bolt was on this side, or the nut was on this side, so we're keeping it like it was stock. Bring the light over here so I see her as she comes in. And then get my hammer. And just tap it. I can move the spindle here, and I'm watching my line up here. There she goes. I give it a little wiggle like that to see when the kingpin stops moving. Then I know it's starting to take. lock up there. Get her about to there. Then you take your nut, your lock washer and your nut, put her on the other side of the lock pin. On this case, it's an 11/16 socket. Get your impact ready, and then as I throw torque on it, I give her a couple of little pops, kind of help it on its way. Come back here. Back up here. A little hard when it's not mounted on the truck. Right there, she stops there. She's good and tight. And she's good and tight here. So she'll be good and ready for the road for another, well, this one's 1950. Yeah, another 75 years she'll be good for the road. So get out there and get some metal hot. And we'll all keep these old girls on the road where they belong. We'll catch you on the next one.